Hey y'all, welcome in. I present to you birds of a feather. These are different bird-like Zords that were used throughout the series. We have a condor, falcon, another falcon, firebird, eagle. These three here go together. It's a hawk, ptera, and crow. We have two cranes, phoenix, firebird. Back there in the back is Garuda. Okay, let's start with the one from the Thunder Zords. Here's a firebird. It's got a little bit of movement in the neck and the head. The wings are mostly for the transformation because they wrap around like that. Gets movement there, but the wings will not go up. These here come off for the transformation when it's used to make the Thunder Megazord. But the legs are used with the white Tiger Zord to make the Mega Tiger Zord. Fits on one of the arms and kind of wraps around that. Alright, let me set him aside. Back here is Garuda, which is not a real bird, but I thought I'd include it anyway. This is from Mystic Force. It combines with other Zords to make the Titan Megazord and the Magic Dragon. Some movement, most of it in the wings, of course. A lot of this has to do with the transformations. Those wings are pretty cool. They are impressive. And some movement, up and down. They rotate pretty good. The only movement in the legs is that way. That's used for the transformation. They turn, pop up and lock. It goes on the back of Titan Megazord and Magic Dragon, like that. White Falcon. This joins with both the Ninja Zord and Shogun Zord. It hooks on the back of the Ninja Zord, and on the Shogun Zord the wings fold forward. I'll show you. The wings fold forward, fit on the body of the Shogun Zord, then the arms go on each side here. This one poses pretty good. You got a good bit in the wings, legs, tail, and in the head. I think, yeah, here we go, mouth opens. This one is beautiful too. I really like the look of this. I think this one is missing decals going through here and probably a few other places. It still looks great. Two cranes here. This one goes with the Ninja Zord. This one goes with the Shogun Zord. Form the head. Little bit of movement. Of course that comes back and reveals the head. Wings fold up. It's all part of the transformation though. This one has very little movement at all. Head pops out. The wings move a little bit, but that's it. Yellow Eagle from Wild Force makes a Wild Force Megazord. It also forms a head. These wings, there's a good bit of posing in the wings. You can even go them like that, or do them down. But a lot of this has to do with the different transformations. Some head movement, mouth moves. There's movement in the feet, a little bit. And this one also has a head on it. Here's the Condor from Lost Galaxy. Even though it's got arms, they still call it a condor. I'd say it was more like a dragon or something. moving in the head, pull the tail. That's kind of a gimmick, I guess, for a weapon or something. Who knows? Legs just move like that. That's all. Very little movement in the legs. The feet, though, do pop down. Some in the arms, if I didn't show you. He fits on the back of the Lost Galaxy Megazord. Helps in the transformation. Another Firebird. This one fits with the other Megazords to make the Zeo Megazord. Fits on the back, of course. There's some movement in the wings. They don't go up and down though, just back and forth. There's no mouth. Some movement in the feet. And this forms the head of the Zeo Megazord. They got the helmet tucked in here. Fits on like that. Set that one back. These three are from what they call a Sky Brother vehicle. They fit on, one fits on the main body of the vehicle, the other two fit on the engine pylons, I guess you want to call them jets. This is a Phoenix. These three are Hawk, Crow, and Terra. The Hawk splits, makes a head and helmet. Crow, Terra, that's all they do. But that's for some of the ways it's mounted on the Megaforce Megazord. You can have it straight out like that or up like that. Okay, this one, wings fold up in the transformation, head pops off, and it can be placed on other attachment points on the Megazord. Okay, let me get that back together here. Hope y'all, oh, last but not least, this one, Red Falcon from Wild Force. This thing is amazing, and it's huge. Of course, you can see that. It forms the upper body and the head of the Isis Megazord. You open it up, so you have your head. It goes through a bit of a transformation, making the chest. The wings are, as you can see, they are very big, very detailed. But their movement is limited to unsnapping, popping loose. There we go. And it makes like a big shield that covers up most of the Isis Megazord. That's the one thing I do not like about this. It's because the wings are so limited in movement. And when you put it together to make the Isis Megazord, and he's up like this, these wings go way back and then out. It would be nice if the wings were, if the wings were more like this, or could be redone or refitted and done like this when it's in Megazord form. That would save up a lot of space and not make it as back heavy either. Okay, let me set that one back. Oh, before I set it back, it's got sound. The Japanese version didn't. On the Japanese version, the tail was hollow underneath and there was more detailing like you see on the wings that was on the tail. There we go. But still, very beautiful. Very, very nice. Even with the faults, I still really like this one. One last little thing. These open up and have some big eyeballs. I think in the Japanese version, when these moved, tilted or whatever, these would change. The pupils would change, or the eyes would change. There's probably a few others, but I don't have all of the Megazords from the different series. But these are a good bit. All in all, I think they're pretty cool. I'm just not sure about these right here. But this one and the Red Falcon and the White Falcon are two of my favorites. But this one's really good too. Sometimes it's kind of hard to pick your best ones, the ones you like the best, or the ones you hate the most. I don't hate any of them, because they've all got something good about them. Thank y'all for checking the video out. Hope you enjoyed it. I kind of stumbled through it, but I think I got to the end. See y'all. Y'all come back now.